welcome back to my channel, Free to Bloom Marisa. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Get this straight a little bit. If you let me make sure I say this before I forget, because I always forget. If you like this video, please give it a like. Please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment so more and more people, it can circle on YouTube and more people can see it. That will help the growth of this channel. So if you like the video, please like it. So today is next day after 4th of July. Yesterday was 4th of July and this is the following day. I got my checklist here. And so it helps me just stay on track if I make a list. So y'all gonna make a list with me. So it's a little later in the afternoon because I did sleep in and I think I did something to my knee. I don't know how, but I think I twisted it somehow. So it's been hurting and I've been trying to keep some kind of ice on it all day. So that really slowed me down. I couldn't do my morning walk this morning, but I'm gonna try to do it tonight if I'm feeling, my knee is feeling much better. So today was trash day. So I do need to pull the trash from the curb. And yes, this is like a very minimal task, but it makes me feel accomplished. Pull trash from curb. I also have an Amazon package. Get that. Again, these are small tasks, but it makes me feel accomplished that I got it done. And it's, things like the Amazon package is not still sitting on my porch. And I'll probably show y'all what I got from that too. I have not eaten lunch yet. I'm gonna do lunch. And then I need to send an email out to my district, well, to a person in the district in regards to back to school. For those who don't know, I am a teacher. So right now, I guess you could kind of say I'm off, but I'm not really off. I'm still doing things for work during the summer break. I think a lot of times people think teachers don't work. I did teach summer school, and I do try to just get things planned and prepared and ready during the summer. But I do have my lazy days too. So today feels more like a lazy day, but I need to send an email out to someone about something about back to school, which is important. And then I bought some seeds yesterday, so I'm gonna try to start my little garden in my pots. Start that. And then I need to water the grass. I do live in Texas, so I try to keep my grass watered. People ask me, how often do you do that? I do it almost daily if it's not raining. You're probably wondering, is your water bill really high? Mine is not. I do budget in the summer months for my water bill to be a little higher, but it's not high because it is just me. I only use water. It's not like I have a family, I have a husband or small children or kids. So I don't use a lot of water. So really my water bill is still not crazy. And I don't leave the water on very long when I have my sprinklers on. So I'm gonna water the grass and then I'm gonna do an evening walk. I just miss my walks. Y'all, like, exercise for real. Since I'm not in the classroom and not as active as I usually am with walking and things like that or standing around, I try to do some kind of exercise. I wish in my town there was a gym that I liked. I miss going to the gym. Many years ago, I used to go to the gym like 5 days a week, 45 minutes to an hour a day. I loved it. I loved working out. It was so fun for me. I mean, it was grueling, but it made me feel good afterwards. So I miss that, and the walks does help with that. So I'm gonna try to do that. So got my list, and let's attempt to do these things before the day is over. Y'all join me. back. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my Amazon package. Let me go ahead and cut it up right now and show y'all. Now this is actually something that I got. I was like, is that it? I was really debating if I should get it or not, and we'll see. I read the reviews, but basically, let me show y'all. It is wallpaper. And at first I thought, is this old school? Like, you know, back in the 90s, like, do people really still use wallpaper? And apparently people do, from what I was looking online, and designers and things like that that do interior decorating, people still use wallpaper. So when I was reading about this online, I'm sorry, I'm trying my best to show y'all. And if I can remember, I'll try to insert a picture maybe somewhere in here of what it could look like in a room. But it didn't cost me much for the amount that I got. Let me see if their measurements are on here. 17.7 inches to 118 inches. And what I'm trying to use it for is for in here on one side of the wall. The wall where y'all are at right now, that's the wall I want to use it on. I don't think I want to use it back here because I have, you know, my desk right here. I have my other equipment and things like that over here. So I think it'll look better over here on this side. And I also got this wallpaper smoothing kit. I'm trying to open that right now. Y'all didn't know y'all were gonna get an unboxing today, did you? What's that? Oh, I thought that was a bug. Sorry, a little sidetrack. Y'all, I got pest control out here last week, and I have to say, I think it's working out. Maybe one day I'll share with y'all what company I'm using. But he came out, he did like a initial flush or something like that to get all the bugs from the inside out of here and outside. And when I say bugs, I saw ants for a period, but I mostly saw spiders, y'all. And even got bitten by, I think I got bitten by a couple of spiders. I know it's crazy. I don't know what a spider bite looks like. I've looked online and it looks like a mosquito bite, but I got bit a couple of times. So I thought, before I had people visiting and family over and things like that, I got to get that taken care of because I can't afford anybody getting bitten by a spider or a bug or anything like that. I would feel so bad. So anyway, so here's a smoothing kit. This right here is like a little smoothing thing to do this number with. And I guess this is to gather, in a way, the wallpaper, I guess. Here's some measuring tape. This is cool. Some measuring tape, and this was like $4.99. Oh, how do you get that back in there? Oh, there we go. There's like a little button right here, so I'm using that. That works. And then what in the world? I guess it's like a little scalpel thing. Let me try to check it out for y'all. Y'all have to be patient. Y'all know by now y'all gotta be patient on these videos with me, but it has this. Let me try to check it out. This little thing to like cut the wallpaper. This is cool. And this is like a little extra blade inside. So that's pretty neat. So I thought I'd share that with y'all. Isn't that cool? Got this wallpaper. My room, the room in here is like, the colors is like white, gray, silver. And of course I got some little decor in here that's bright color because it's kind of like a teacher slash personal, you know, woman's office as well. I'm gonna try to take this out. No, I won't do that. It's okay. So yeah, this is a new house, so I'm still waiting on people because there was some painting that was just unfinished. So I'm waiting for them to get that done first before I put any wallpaper on it because I don't want to ruin the warranty or whatever, if that's even possible. It may not even matter if I put wallpaper on one wall in one of the rooms. It may not matter. It's not going to be in here they need to fix. They need to fix something in my hallway that I noticed when I was changing out air filters. So anyway, so I hope y'all like that segment of this video. My unboxing, my first. Okay, so this is why it's important to read everything. So the red thing was a smooth scraper, the blue thing was a gentle scraper. This is a knife, these are blades. I think I got this part right. So that's what that's about. And then while I'm down here, here's a better close-up of the wallpaper as well. I think you're working here. At first I was a little nervous because of my curtains are kind of geometric style, so I didn't know how that would flow in here. But I think it'll work out.